Hey, welcome back to That's That Magic TV with me, Alicia. So today we are doing, for today's self-care Sunday, self-care Sunday mask, we're doing a little, of course, That's That Magic, some honey, and some brown sugar. So first, I didn't measure it, but I would say it's about a tablespoon and a half. You don't need that much, but I put that much. And really, it just depends on how abrasive you want your mask to be. So we're going to take that. We're going to take our magic, put some magic in there. So, we're going to do that. And then the magic helps to keep your skin moisturized. It smells freaking amazing. Oh, and then we're going to take our honey. The honey has antibacterial benefits. It's healing. It is a great exfoliant, just like the brown sugar. So it's all in there. We're going to mix it up. We're going to make up a little mask, have a little fun. Oh, it just went down my shirt, but that is okay. So we're going to go ahead and do this. So this mask is going to give you smooth, glowing, moisturized skin. I mean, my skin's great. Of course, I drink a lot of water. I watch my diet because great skin does start on the inside. But you do need to take care of it, you know, on the outside too. So it's all mixed in. We're gonna take our little here. So I've already washed my face. So I'm gonna take it. I'm just gonna exfoliate here, especially in the nose area. If you have clogged pores like me, I'm gonna get in there. This actually feels really good and smells amazing. And you could just use any brown sugar or any honey that you would like. I know you're gonna want to eat it, but don't. Because it does have That's That Magic, and That's That Magic, even though you want to eat That's That Magic, it is not edible, or I don't recommend eating it. So I am making a mess. This is getting everywhere. So just remember that when you're doing your mask, it does make a mess. And like I said, it keeps falling down my shirt. That is okay. I'm like really in love with this mask. Like, I feel my skin softer, feel it glowing already. Man. Okay. Sorry. I know you're like, shut up already. But it feels great. It feels really good. You know, I am a big proponent of the baking soda mask as well, but I don't know, I'm feeling this brown sugar honey combination with That's That Magic, of course. So when you put them together, it exfoliates dead skin, hydrates and plump skin, makes skin glowing and soft, improves the texture over time, and it leaves your skin looking and feeling magical. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead. I can't believe it's all down my shirt. That's wild. Oh yeah, it's definitely down the shirt. So we're gonna go ahead, and actually cleanup is pretty easy. So now we're gonna take our white towel here and just rinse it off. All right, so ooh. Alright. Skin is feeling delicious. It's feeling amazing. I'm gonna follow up with the toner and some That's That Magic. If you've been following me for a while or following this page, You can notice that I had some dark spots on my face and they have lightened up. I do use that magic mix with grapefruit essential oil, which is available at thatmagic.com, to help with dark spots. So combining the mask that I make, you know, the weekly mask, along with the grapefruit essential oil, getting rid of these dark spots. I have one right here in the middle of my forehead. It's lightening up. So yeah, this is the result of my honey mask. So don't forget to try it and get your magic from Amazon or thatsitemagic.com. So if you like this video, go ahead, like and subscribe and share with someone else who might need to know this. And stay tuned for the next Self-Care Sunday Mask Edition. Love ya.